Heavy rains recently led to severe waterlogging in Delhi, particularly at Minto Bridge. This situation sparked immediate action from the Delhi government. They swiftly suspended the junior engineer and pump operator at the site to address the issue. A show-cause notice will be issued to the assistant engineer for not properly supervising the situation. Additionally, the executive engineer must provide a detailed explanation on how to prevent future incidents. These measures show the government's commitment to improving infrastructure management. The engineer-in-chief has been tasked to ensure these situations don't arise again. They also need to implement necessary warnings across the city. It's essential that residents feel safe and secure during heavy rainfall. Minto Bridge is a known trouble spot for waterlogging and traffic issues. Heavy rains on Sunday exacerbated the problem, impacting commuters. Aam Aadmi Party MLA Saurabh Bhardwaj publicly criticized PWD Minister Parvesh Sahib Singh. He questioned Singh's absence during the crisis, asking, "Where has he gone missing?" Former Chief Minister Atishi also chimed in. She demanded answers about the minister's role during such crucial moments. The lack of on-ground monitoring from the minister raised serious concerns. Visuals from Delhi Cant starkly depicted the severity of the rainfall. A bus and vehicle were nearly submerged in a waterlogged underpass. Various areas, including Ito and Dhaula Kuan, also faced significant waterlogging. This led to considerable traffic congestion, frustrating many residents. On the day before these events, the India Meteorological Department, IMD, issued a red alert. They warned of potential thunderstorms, rain, and high winds in the coming hours. The alert was based on the immediate weather forecast. As rain continued, the IMD forecasted further thunderstorm activity. Gusty winds at speeds of 30 to 40 km per hour have been predicted. These conditions are linked to cyclonic circulations around western Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan. Residents should remain vigilant and prepared as weather warnings persist. The alerts highlight the importance of timely information. Keeping informed allows residents to take necessary precautions. In conclusion, Delhi is taking steps to combat severe waterlogging issues. These efforts aim to enhance safety and infrastructure resilience. It's crucial for everyone to stay updated on weather conditions and government responses. Stay tuned for more updates and ensure you're prepared for the next storm. Together, we can navigate through challenging weather and keep our community safe.